go next? Polar Bear Mountain! Right! That's where the polar bear... Where do we go next?
Polar Bear Mountain!
Polar Bear Mountain! Right! That's where the polar bear lives! Yikes! So we need to find Polar Bear Mountain. ¿Dónde está? Where is Polar Bear Mountain? Sí,
ahí está. Oh.
Oh no! It's stuck in a tree and there's a polar bear down there! Dora! Diego! Hurry! Come on! We've got to go save Boots! There's Boots! And there's the polar bear under the tree! We need something to get us to the tree quick!
I know! We can turn my rescue pack into a rocket sled!
Great idea!
To activate my rescue pack, say Activate! Activate! Yo, rescue pack! I'm rescue pack! Coming to the rescue! Rescue pack! Coming to the rescue! I'm rescue pack, I got your back. I can turn your pants out, or I tell ya. Sibble, snubble, whatever you need. We can do it. Nothing to it. I'm rescue pack. Coming to the rescue. Rescue pack. Coming to the rescue. I'm rescue pack. Yo! Rescue pack here. Diego and Dora need something they can use to slide in the snow quick. Can they use a bicycle to slide in the snow? No. Can they use a hang glider to slide in the snow? No way. Can they use a fishing pole to slide in the snow? I don't think so. Can they use a rocket sled to slide in the snow? Yes, they can. So you tell Diego he needs a rocket sled. What do we need? A rocket sled, yeah. Good thinking. Diego would have used his down there. It wasn't the down scene, it was the it wasn't the down scene, it was the alternative rescue pack scene, the rare edition, not the rescue pack style edition. It was the alternative edition, not the style edition.
Oh no! The polar bear's climbing higher and higher! That's how Boots
jump onto the rocket sled! Say, jump, Boots! Louder! Jump, Boots!
You saved me! You saved me! Thank you, thank you, thank you!
Hey! I only wanted to help you get your kite down from the tree. I'm really a very friendly polar bear.
Oh, he's a friendly polar bear. Thanks, polar bear.
Come back and visit soon.
I knew you'd come and get me. Yay! We did it!
Black Friday gaming specials now at Smith's Toys.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.